Children, very good morning to one and all. Today we are going to learn chapter 4, the half built house. The lesson is all about the children and their attitude, especially how they are very sensible to be safe from the danger. So, come let us read the lesson. The Chitnis children were enjoying their summer holidays with their grandmother, Alpana Chitnis. Chitnis children means the family name. Each one will have a family name. Here, the Chitni is a family name. His children were enjoying the summer vacation in their grandmother's house. Grandma's farm was an exciting place for Atharva and Neha and their cousins Disha, Dhruv and Dev. So how many are there? The grandchildren Atharva, Neha and their cousins Disha, Dhruv and Dev. The children always had plenty to do outdoors. What they will do out of their house, they will climb the trees, they will go for swimming, flying kites, or they play football in the open meadow. The meaning of meadow is an open field of grass. So, in the outside of their house, these are the games they like to play every day and sometimes have an adventure. Adventure means very risky games also they used to play, and they will go for a long place to play. Let us go and explore the bamboo grove for a tea today. It will be nice and cool in evening, said Atharva. The Atharva is telling, come let us go to the bamboo grove. Grove means a small group of trees. So where the bamboo group of trees are there, we'll go. After the tea, we will go. The evening, nice breeze we will get, we will play there. Who was 11 years old. The Atharva is 11 years old. He was the oldest, so he decided what everyone would do. The youngest was just 8, but he would always say, I can look after myself. So, Atharva is the oldest girl among the 5 children. So, whatever he decide, that will be a final. Who is the youngest? Dev is the youngest. He is 8 years old, but Atharva is 11 years old. So the 8-year boy Dev, always he will tell, don't think of me, I will take care of myself. He will go to the bamboo trees. So they explained to the grandma. Grandma told, be careful dear children, like that she said, and she sent the children to go to the bamboo grove. Yes, grandma, will be careful. We promise, said Atharva. Atharva is telling, okay grandma, we promise you will be very safe. The children got onto their bicycles. It was 5 o'clock in the evening. On the way to the bamboo grove, they noticed a house, only half-built house. While they are going through their bicycle, it was 5 o'clock in the evening. So on their way, they saw the bamboo. On their way, they saw one half-built house. They saw one half-built house. They noticed the house. They stopped there. What a nice place to play hide and seek, said Disha. Disha is telling, what a wonderful place to play hide and seek. Who was almost the same age of Atharva. Atharva is what age? 11 years. So here this Disha also same age. Let's play here. We will not go to the bamboo grove. So we need not to go to the bamboo trees. We will play here. Such a wonderful place. It is half-built house. We will play here. They decided and they started to go. But what if there are mad dogs there? Asked Neha jokingly. So if you are going, it is half-built house only. So sometimes the mad dogs will be there. Then they will come and bite. Like that she was jokingly. She is telling who Neha is telling. Then only Disha and I will go first. We will see if it is safe to play there, said Atharva. Atharva is telling, Atharva and Disha is same age. So they told, we both will go. We will see the place, whether it is safe to play or not. The other children were eager for an adventure. They waited at a distance for the two older children to give the sign that all was fine. But they were taking a long minutes past. So they were waiting. The both Disha and Atharva went inside the half-built house. So they all were waiting. They will give a sign and they will go and play. So they are waiting for a long time. Minutes passed. The three waiting children were getting impatient. The meaning of impatient is not wanting to or able to wait. They wanted to go. They are impatient. They decided to go and find out for themselves what was happening. Just then Atharva and Disha came running back. They started to go inside to see, but at the same time the Atharva and Disha, they came running back. Quick, let us get back to grandma's house at once, said Atharva. Now quickly, now immediately we have to go to grandmother's house. We will tell dad right away what we saw, said Disha. What we saw in the house, half-built house, we have to tell to dad, come, let's go. And what did you see? Asked Dev, curious to know what happened in the half-built house. So Dev, the youngest boy, is asking, what have you seen? He is very curious to know the things what had happened inside. When the children reached grandma's house, they were surprised to find Disha's father, Inspector Chitni, already there. So when they went to the house, Disha's father is there and the Inspector Chitni also there. Dad, said Disha excitedly, you will never guess what we discovered. Do you remember those pictures of 3 wanted criminals that we had seen in your office? So the Disha is telling very excitedly, Daddy, we have seen some wanted criminals. Criminal means those who connected with the other involved the crime, the mistakes. So the criminals what we have seen in your office, the 3 persons we have seen today, they are here, they are there. They are in that half-built house. Atharva and I saw men in the back room. So the 3 persons, what are the 3 persons we have seen in your office? The 3 persons are in the half-built house. We have seen. Myself and Atharva have seen. Like that, who is telling? Disha is telling to father. Yes, those men almost caught us, but we hid behind 2 empty drums, said Atharva. And one man said to the others, oh, it is just a cat somewhere. So when we went, because we hit that empty drums, because of that we thought that they will come and catch us, but they did not notice. One man said, this is maybe a cat. A cat is moving from here. The 2 children laughed. So when they saw, they did not find out them. So they laughed. But that was dangerous, children. Grandma cried out in alarm. So the grandmother said, oh, it is very dangerous. Why did you go there? Oh, grandma, but they had an adventure, said Dev. So Dev is telling, oh, grandma, that is not dangerous. It is adventure, no problem. We had a feeling that those crooks were somewhere here, said Dad. Crooks means individuals who have done something that is against the law. So we were thinking that crooks were staying somewhere. So I draw down to grandma's farm. I must call headquarters and tell them to send a police patrol at once. The patrol means a person or persons who guard an area by making regular trips around or through the place. Okay, who will guard the one appointed area. So that is what a patrol. So now Disha father is telling, immediately I will call the headquarters. The police I will call. You did the right thing, children. Well done. Like that Disha father told. Immediately he went to call the police. A little later, the police patrol arrived. Atharva and Disha asked if they could accompany the officers. So, little later, the police arrived there in Disha's house. So, the Disha and Atharva is asking the police, can we accompany you? With you, accompany means to go with someone. Shall we come with you? The officers said they could but only if they would to obey instructions. Okay, I will take you, but if you obey my words, whatever I tell, then I will take. The two children eagerly accompanied the policeman to the half-built house. The children told, okay, okay, we will obey your word. Then they both of them went with the police. Very quickly, the four policemen and the children approached the room. Then, quick as lightning, the police burst into the room and got hold of the three crooks and handcuffed. Handcuffed means put a handcuff, metal ring for the locking wrist. So, in the hands, what the police will keep for the thief, that is called handcuffed. Okay, the police went immediately like a lightning and they got them, then they put the handcuff. More officers arrived and the crooks were taken away. Then immediately more officers arrived to that place and they took the crooks to the police station. The chief officer was pleased. Good work, children, he said. You were very brave, said Dad. The police officer is telling him, very good, children, you have done a good work. Then Disha father is telling, oh my dear children, you are very brave, you are very intelligent and very prudent. Like that everyone is appreciating the children, the five of them. So this is what the lesson. So my dear children, read the lesson one more, learn the word meaning and you will understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.